Now imagine if you simply use your smartphone, do some simple tasks, and cha-ching, you earn $30 all in less than a minute. I mean, how cool is that? Once you learn the secret after watching this video, let me ask you, how many times will you repeat this? One time you can earn $30, 10 times you can earn $300, 100 times you can earn $3,000. There's absolutely no limit, and I want you to comment down below. Do you want $30 or do you want $3,000? Now I don't know about you, but I definitely pick $3,000 or heck even more because it's absolutely possible with these 3 different websites which I'm about to show you right on this video. They pay out on the same day, super fast, super easy, and it is 100% free and available worldwide. I'm super duper excited. Let's dive right in. But before that, make sure you subscribe to all 3 of my YouTube channels and turn on the notification bell for daily new money making videos. And if you want my #1 recommendation and the best way to make money online, make sure you click on the first link in the video description below. Click on that and put in your email address so that I can send you all the details into your email inbox. And with that being said, let's get into the video. First of all, I want you to watch the full videos because I'll show you a total of 3 different websites to make money online. Now, if you combine all 3 of them together, you will make the most amount of money and build out multiple streams of income at the same time, which is incredible. So make sure you don't skip ahead or miss anything in this video. Now, before we get started, let me quickly show you some of the payment options available. How you can actually withdraw your money that you earn. As you can see here, you can earn PayPal money. Now, don't worry if you don't have a PayPal account, you can cash out your money straight into your bank account. They do support basically all countries in the world, and you can even withdraw your money in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. Now, this method is extremely easy. Look at all of this money that you can make in green color. 14 cents, 30 cents, 24 cents, 8 cents, 70 cents. Now you might think that this is not a lot of money, but keep in mind that they all add up very quickly. And I'll show you my own secret method that you can easily earn $30 again and again, and you can repeat it as much as you want by simply using a smartphone or computer. Super easy, no skill and no experience is needed. So this is going to be the first website that we are going to be doing, and all you have to do is just do some simple small little jobs. For example, liking videos, watching videos, doing some simple surveys, going to certain websites, or sending some simple emails. And you can earn up to $2 or even $5 by doing that. And again, you can choose whatever job that you like, and I'll show you which one is the best to do so that you can save yourself a lot of time and you can spend probably 1 to 2 minutes and you can make a lot of money online. Now the name of this first website is Pico Worker. This is the first website where you can do some simple jobs and earn all of this money, but again, you can actually get some free money once you sign up. Look at this, sign up bonus 75 cents. Once you sign up for an account, you can instantly get some free money by just signing up, getting an account, and you can go and find different jobs to do. Now from my own personal experience, I found out that liking videos and watching videos are the easiest way to make money on this website. And if you stick with me all the way until the end of this video, I'll teach you one cool little hack that you can quickly multiply your earnings so they can earn even more money compared to other people who don't watch this video until the end. And again, I want to show you one extra method, one extra strategy, which is the referral program. Now if you have a Facebook account, Instagram, Twitter, or Tumblr, you can share this to other people, to your friends, right, or even to strangers. And if people sign up, if they do the job, you are able to earn commissions for whatever job that they do. Isn't that awesome? They do the job, you earn the commission. And the more referrals that you get over time, they will grow and they all stack up, and this will become your second source of passive income. Once again, if you don't want to rely on commissions or referral, you can always do the job yourself actively. You can do all the things, watching videos, liking videos, earning $1, $2, 75 cents, 50 cents, which is good, and it is extremely simple. You can do it even in less than 30 seconds. But again, if you want to get some sort of help from me to help you to get a lot of referrals, you can leave a comment down below, right? I cannot promise you that I'll help every single one of you because as you know, there's so many people, thousands of people who are watching my videos. But if you subscribe to my channel, if you like this video and leave your best comment down below, I might select you and actually reach out to you and send you some referrals. So this is one of the ways that I can help you, my subscriber, as well. Now you know this is not the biggest amount of money that you can make. If you want to make some huge commission. I'll highly encourage you to check out the first link in the video description. That's my #1 recommendation because that is going to pay you hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars in commission. I'll show you more details if you click on the first link below. But anyways, you have to complete the task on this website so that you can get paid by the employer. You have to submit the proof to them afterwards. Now I'll show you exactly how to do that because make sure you don't make any mistakes. A lot of people, they actually submit wrongly or they don't even submit anything, and that's why they are not able to make any money on this website. But before that, let us take a look at a second website where you can earn points, right? It's basically based on point system, and once you earn all the points, you can convert these points into actual money, into cold hard cash. Now at the time when I'm recording this video, 1,000 points equal to $1, and I teach you a secret hack on how to earn 500,000 points in a single day, and no one else knows about this. And another special tip for you, if you are coming from outside of the United States, all you have to do is to use Proton VPN, and these are free VPN services that you can download on your computer, on your phone, so that when you go on to website like this, you're actually able to sign up, because I know that a lot of you guys, a lot of websites out there, they're actually blocking your countries, right? Your country are not able to sign up, so make sure you try to use Proton VPN or other alternative. Download that and use that. Now basically the name of this website is Earnably. This is definitely a legit website, but if you are from some other small countries out there, you have to use Proton VPN to sign up. Now for this particular website, you can make money by simply watching videos. All you gotta do is just click on one of these company, go on to the website, watch the video, right? Watch all the way until the end, don't skip anything. You can let it play in the background. When you're using a phone, right? When you're using a computer, you can do other things, right? Do your own things and just let it play automatically. Now the best thing is that if you have different mobile devices, if you have 2 or 3 phones at your home, your parents, your family, your siblings, right? That's even better because you can make even more money. Also, you can combine both of these websites together. That's where you can easily make $30 within minutes. Super fast. Once again, remember to focus on watching videos and liking videos. Don't do other stuff because that's just gonna waste your time. Don't do the surveys because they pay you very little money. So right now, I want to show you the third website, which is StreetBees. This website gives you a very simple task to do, and look at this, 10 euros, $5.45. You can make a lot of money every time you send a text or messages. Take a quick look at this. If you have a smartphone, you can log in, you can sign up, and you can create a free account, and they'll ask you to take pictures. For example, taking pictures of coffee. Take a pictures of your coffee machine, some other things, right? And they'll send you a message. You have to reply to them, and when you reply to them, sometimes they ask you to add the photos. For example, the photos of your breakfast, the photos of the shoes that you're wearing today. Take a photos with them, send to them, and you can earn $5. This is usually very simple, and they'll ask you to take some simple photos every day, simple things surrounding yourself, coffee, shoe, table, your chair, computer, phone, whatever things that they ask you, just simply snap a photos within seconds, upload them, send to them, boom, you make money. That's how you can make money on StreetBees. Now you can download this app for 100% free on Google Play Store or App Store. Pick one of the tasks, answer some questions, and you're gonna get paid in cash. As simple as that. Click on the join now button and you're gonna go on to the App Store. If you're using an Android phone, you're gonna go on to Google Play Store. They have a pretty solid review, 33,000 reviews, 4 stars, right? You can check them out yourself. Once again, you can see some of the examples right here. Try this out, just download this application. Try it out, take about 2 or 5 minutes every single day to complete a story, send a message, reply to a message. You can instantly earn $5. That's some free money, you guys. And so one thing I would like to talk about, that they offer a StreetBees ambassador program where you can join them, get paid to help us expand your country, because right now they're still pretty new. It's a new platform, a new company. If you're coming from different countries in the world, you're from US, UK, Philippines, India, Kenya, Sri Lanka, Nigeria, right? Whatever country you're coming from, this is your good opportunity to join this company right now because it is trending. And when it is still early, you can click on the apply now button and you can join them from all over the world, 87 different countries. Expand them, and every single time you share a story, you send some messages, you answer some simple quick question, you are going to get paid some good money because right now it is still very new, no competition out there. A lot of people, they don't even know about this website exists. If you join the ambassador program of StreetBees, just put in your name, your email, sign up this form, click on this apply now, and that's all you have to do. So now, very important, right? Let me ask you a question. What if there's a much simpler way for you to make money and fully automated? And that's why I want to introduce you to this system. Now let me ask you, what if it were possible to get paid every time we use Google? I believe all of us, we heard of Google before, we use it many times. But what if you can make money from Google right now? And this is where Google Pay, this system, they actually expose a $1.7 trillion Google loophole. It's gonna pay us $49 over and over again by simply searching on Google. Yes, search something and type something on Google and you can get paid every time you do that. No skill or experience needed, no waiting to get paid, no extra fees, no BS, right? You can go on and click on the link in the video description, come onto this page and you can watch this video to see exactly how to do that. And as you can see here, today $2,000 and yesterday $400. And right here you can see non-stop $49 payment rolling in on autopilot. And all you gotta do is make simple searches on Google and each time you're gonna receive $49 payment. And this system actually invited 29 newbie beta testers to try out Google Pay just to make sure that this 100% works for beginners. As you can see here, people from all over the world, they're actually making money, right? They make a total of $189,000 right here, real cold hard cash. So right down below, you can see more testimonials and more verified Google Pay users. Look at their results. Look at what they have to say about the system. Go down, click the link in the video description right now and check out all the proofs so that you can begin making money just like this. Keep on rolling and keep on increasing every single day, up to even $354 in profit. That's some really good money. So once again, if you want to make money by simply searching on Google, make sure I click on the link in the video description below and check out Google Pay. Get started right now, sign up and start making money, and I'll see you on the inside. Now, if you think that today's video is too difficult and you want a much easier and a simpler method to make money, I have something really special to show you. All you have to do is to click on the first link in the video description below. Click on that right now, enter your email address, and I'll send you over all the details into your email inbox. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.